Guys, I don't know what is happening to typing jobs right now. You guys already know that I research typing jobs and I try ways to make money online. So as I'm doing some of my research, I came across these websites that are into typing jobs, like where you can find typing jobs and where you can easily register. In most cases, they have typing jobs from some places around the world. Now you can see on this particular website, they stated boldly that they are not currently accepting any transcriber. Now this is Scribby. Scribby is going to pay you $5 to $20 per hour, but they also stated on the website that they're not accepting any freelancer at the moment. And of course, this one, Go Transcript, is my favorite because you can make up to like $3,600 on this platform if you're serious, and on the average you can make like $980 on this platform. However, they stated here that they are not accepting English transcribers. What it means is that if you can transcribe in other languages, you can be accepted. But if you're English transcriber, which is what majority of the people I know, and of course people that watch my videos are interested in. So what can we really do about this? Now this is a problem because something is actually going on. I think their database is saturated. So because of all this, we need to find a different way to look for typing job, and I'm going to show you in this video how to find typing job online, not using this platform, and we're going to be using LinkedIn for that. Now the good thing about using LinkedIn to look for this job is that you can find job in your location. You can find job that suits what you want, whether full-time or part-time. And another thing is you can easily communicate with whoever that is in charge of that job via LinkedIn. So that is the interesting part. So what you're going to do is just to come to LinkedIn. So this is LinkedIn. If you don't have an account, make sure you create an account that is optimized. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for jobs here in two ways. One is by the posts that people made on their wall. Another one is jobs that are posted. These are two different things, and let me show you an example using the Boolean method search to find the specific typing job you're looking for. So you're going to input this on the search bar. You're going to input quotation mark transcription job and hiring quotation mark ending it. That is Boolean search method. Now once you have done that, you're going to search and you're going to see posts that people made about typing jobs. So you can see this one is a work from home page. They are posting work from home jobs from websites. Now this one is someone that posted this. This is another company, Edu Solution, and then these are the languages that they're looking for transcribers. Now you can see this one, Amber Script, this one posted it, and a lot of other job opportunities here when it comes to transcription. So you can check it out, and of course you check the date to know if it is recent or not. Now you can also filter this to people, posts, and companies, stuff like that, if you have anything like that in mind. And if you don't, then you're going to go here where it says job, click on it. Then you're going to put in the job you're looking for. For this opportunity, you're looking for transcription job, and I use Nigeria as an example. So you can input your own country or your locality here, and then you're going to see opportunities that LinkedIn is going to give you. So as you can see, this one is ITSA transcribers, this one is HIAM transcribers, this one is Hausa writers, data transcribers, the location is Lagos, Nigeria, this one is Urobo transcribers, and so much more. This one is Steve transcribers. So you can, assuming we want to look for these Hausa writers here, and you can see it has opened more about the job here. You can see they have the qualifications, the expectations they want from people that are going to be applying to this job, and they're looking for entry level. So you don't need to know everything before you apply here. So to know more about this job, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to stand a better chance once you're qualified. So you can click on this company here, and then you can go to this place where it says people, and then you click on people here. Now what you're going to do here is to look for somebody, let's say the HR manager or anybody in charge of recruitment that you can see, like anyone in charge of recruitment or anyone that you can easily talk to in the company that you're sure that is working at this company. Like this person, he says he's on his data annotator reviewer at this company, so you're sure this person is working for this company. You can check out this other person's account that says HR assistant to know if the person is working for this company. So but this one says it's working. You can easily talk to him. You can send them a DM or an email to tell them you're interested in the job, and if you have your elevator pitch I talked about in my previous video, you might want to check it out. and you can show them that to get started with them. And of course, you have to have your CV, your portfolio, and your cover letter ready to be able to stand a chance to get these jobs. So that's basically how you can stand a chance using LinkedIn, which is better alternative. You get to get paid directly into your account. You get to find jobs in your location. That is the best part. Now, my LinkedIn is optimized for the type of job I'm interested in, and because of that, I might not really find out other typing jobs that are available. So if typing job is really what you want to do, you have to optimize your profile to suit typing job. You can put things like transcription, transcriber, translator, typist, whatever. Once you optimize your LinkedIn account to suit what type of job you're looking for, LinkedIn will by default be sending you jobs and things that are related to what your profile is optimized for, and you can, from there find job openings. So these are the tactics you need to put in place to be able to find these typing jobs, that if you're interested in them, you have to make sure you know your typing speed and your accuracy before you even start making this process. You can check some of my videos to know how to go about doing that. And of course, you have to have your laptop and internet source ready to be able to use to work whenever you're called out to work. So another good thing you need to have and put in place is to have your portfolio. That is very important. It shows your employer what you can do and what you have done in the past and the type of work you deliver on, so they can trust you further and have every reason to hire you. So I hope this tip works for you. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.